Hey Raj, it's so nice to see you here in the garden. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Hey Tina, absolutely, I couldn't agree more. The weather's perfect today. How's your day been so far?
Oh, it's been a busy one at work, but I'm just glad to be out here now. How about you?
I get that. My day's been alright, nothing too exciting. But I've been looking forward to this moment all day.
You're such a sweetie. So, how's everything going with your new project at work?
Well, it's challenging, but I'm learning a lot. You know, the team dynamics have been interesting. Speaking of work, how's that new colleague of yours? The one you mentioned last time.
Oh, you mean Mark? He's a nice guy, but I'm definitely not as interested in him as I am in my favorite person in the world.
It's good to hear. You know, I can't help but feel a little jealous when you talk about your charming colleagues.
Jealous, huh? Should I be worried about you getting all the attention from your coworkers?
Nah, they can't compete with you, Tina. You're one of a kind.
You always know how to make me feel special. So, any exciting plans for the week?
Yes, actually. I was thinking we could go hiking at that new trail I heard about. What do you think?
Hiking sounds fantastic. I could use some time in nature. Plus, I love spending time with you, even if it means getting a little dirty.
Dirty's part of the adventure. Right?
Absolutely. I've been missing our outdoor adventure.
You know, it's moments like these, when we're outside, away from the chaos of life, that I feel the closest to you.
Me too. It's like we have our own little world, right here in this garden.
You're my world, Tina. I can't imagine my life without
Raj, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. I love you more than words can express.
you. I love you too, Tina. You make every moment of life better. Time flies when I'm with you. I wish I could pause the world and just be here with you.
Imagine that, a world where we can just press pause whenever we want.
Well, until that happens, let's make the most of the time we have.
Absolutely. Let's enjoy this beautiful day and look forward to our hiking adventure this weekend.
It's a plan then.
Definitely. I can't wait.